You don't have sex in a parking lot, okay? Stand with your feet together, hands out your side, just like this. I'll look at your eyes really quick.
It was the first time that I met him, and I was just I liked him, and I was attracted to him, so I wanted to...
Is that why your pants were off and his pants were off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, why did you guys come?
Hold on.
You didn't.
Early in the morning of April 8, 2023, police officers in Seminole County, Florida were patrolling when they spotted a white Ford Mustang Sedan parked not far away with its headlights on. The two people in the car seemed to be doing something quite suspicious, so the police immediately approached. The officer saw that the engine was starting, and Samantha, a 21-year-old woman in the driver's seat, was naked with a male passenger sitting next to her. When the police talked to them, they also smelled a strong odor of alcohol. So the officers immediately asked the two to present their identification and requested that they get dressed and step out of the car for inspection.
Appreciate you. Just stand right here for me. Stand with your feet together, hands out your side, just like this. I'll look at your eyes really quick. Don't move your head, just follow your eyes, all right? Okay. Robert, here's this back.
Sir.
Have you been drinking at all?
We both had a couple drinks here. Yes,
Let me see your eyes real quick.
Go ahead.
All right, you're free to leave. I wouldn't recommend you drive though, okay? Because if you get in your car, I'm going to arrest you for DUI. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
So good. If you want to get on your phone and go ahead and start calling somebody, go right ahead, all right? Ma'am, right now I'm going to conduct a DUI investigation to determine if you're impaired to the point your normal faculties are being affected. Do you understand that? All right. The reason behind that, you're in active physical control of a motor vehicle, all right? All right, even though you weren't driving, you're sitting in the parking lot, you're behind the driver's seat, your vehicle's on, it's running. You're going to drive after you had sex with this young gentleman, okay? You understand? Get where it's coming from?
In many areas in the U.S., if you are parked but have your car running, it is still considered that you are operating the vehicle. Therefore, Samantha was still considered to be drinking and driving. The police then conducted a field sobriety test on Samantha.
So right now, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can is against you in court. You have the right to have an attorney present now or anytime during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, it won't be appointed for you without cost. You have the right to stop answering questions or speak to an attorney at any time. Do you understand those rights? Okay. Do you have any medical ailments I need to be aware of? Do you have any problems with your legs, feet, or back? Okay. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear contacts.
Do you have contacts in right now?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have diabetes?
No.
Do you have epilepsy?
No.
Okay, perfect. Just stand right over here for me and face me.
First, the officer asked her to keep her head still and follow the pen he was holding with her eyes to check her level of focus.
What I'm going to have you do is you're going to look at my pen and you're going to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? During that entire time, I don't want you to move your head. I just want you to follow with your eyes, okay? So follow with your eyes, okay?
It was evident that Samantha's eyes were slightly twitching and unable to follow the pen's movement closely.
Okay, are you ready? Go ahead and begin.
Next was the straight line walk test, followed by tests like reciting the alphabet.
All right, next thing I want you to do, again, is stay with your feet together, heels and your toes touching. Take your fingers just like this. Place it back down to your side just like that, okay? And when I tell you to, what you're going to do is you're going to close your eyes, you're going to tilt your head backwards, okay? Not until I tell you to, okay? Then I'm either going to say left or right. Okay, when I say left or right, what I want you to do is I want you to bring the hand I say straight forward, just like this. Bring the tip of your finger into the tip of your nose, straight back out, straight back down. Okay, it's going to look just like this. Your eyes will be shut, your head will be back. I'll say right hand and you'll do this. I'll say left hand and you'll do this. Do you understand all that? Okay, go ahead, close your eyes, tilt your head back. Right hand. Continue as I instructed.
However, she did not perform well.
How much have you had to drink today?
I had 2 drinks here.
What 2 drinks?
I had Captain and Coke.
Captain and Coke. Were they singles, doubles?
Yes.
Okay. Were they talls, shorts?
They were talls.
Okay. So single talls. Captain and Coke, 2 of them. What time did you start drinking?
Around 10:30.
Okay. And what time did you end drinking?
11:30.
11:30. What time do you think it is currently?
Like 1:30.
You think it's about 1:30 right now? Okay.
I feel fine.
Okay. Do you feel impaired at all?
No.
Do you feel buzzed?
No.
No. Okay. And is that your vehicle, the Mustang?
Yes.
All right. And just to confirm, what was going on when I first arrived?
It was the first time I met him, and I was just kind of, I liked him, and I was attracted to him, so I wanted to like be attracted to him.
Okay.
But
Is that why your pants were off and his pants were off?
yeah,
Okay. And after y'all finished that, what were you going to do?
absolutely nothing. I was gonna go home.
You're going to go home, and where's home?
Althea.
Alafaya? Okay. All right. Let's walk over this way for me. Do you have any tattoos that I need to know of? Where?
I have a couple.
Where?
I have a little one here.
Okay.
A blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% is the common standard for determining drunk driving, but the field sobriety test is emphasized more. The reason behind this is that U.S. state laws recognize that everyone's tolerance to alcohol is different, and blood alcohol tests cannot detect everything. Therefore, if you fail the sobriety test, even if your blood alcohol level is below 0.08%, you can still be considered drunk driving. Conversely, if your blood alcohol level exceeds the standard, but you can pass the sobriety tests, communicate, and reason normally, you may be deemed to be driving sober. Based on the above description, the sobriety test is the prioritized indicator, but Samantha did not pass.
Just going to take a quick picture of you, okay?
Why?
Just look at me real quick. There you go. And then your tattoos.
At this point, the officer took out his phone and snapped a photo of Samantha from a higher angle, which made her feel strange and uncomfortable.
Why?
What's that?
Why?
Because that's what my sergeant requires.
Why?
What? Why?
Yeah.
I have no idea. You can ask him that. I have no idea.
Why does he want?
What's that?
Why does
Well, right now you're going to be placed under arrest for DUI. Go ahead, turn around for me. Place your hands behind your back. Actually, before I put this one here, let me take this off and put it in your. Here, hold on a second. I'm going to take your watch off and put it in your. Actually, take your watch off for me and put it in your pocket. That way I don't want it to get damaged. You need me to help you? You got it? You just turn around, place your hands behind.
Can I ask what I'm being put on arrest for?
For DUI.
For what?
For DUI.
What did I do?
I just told you. Go turn around.
Can
Ma'am,
you tell
listen.
me again?
Yeah, you're under the influence of alcohol to the point your normal
But why
faculties are
did
being
you pull
affected.
me over? But why
Listen.
did you pull me over? I'm just wondering.
Because you're having sex
Why?
in a parking lot.
Why did
I just told
pull
you.
me over?
That. I just told you. Because you're having sex in a parking
Okay,
lot.
why are you guys here?
I just told you. Turn around.
Why?
Turn around. I'm not going to play with you.
Samantha suddenly refused to cooperate, but the officer explained that while the law does not specifically prohibit having sex in a car, if you do it in a public place and get caught, you could be charged with unnatural and lascivious acts. This is based on Section 800.02 of the Florida statutes, often used to charge people for inappropriate behavior in public places like parks.
So why did you guys come?
Because it's my job to patrol.
But why did you guys come?
Stop.
But why did you guys come?
Hold on.
You didn't come for a reason.
Stop. Stop.
If you're playing, reason. Why? Why are you putting me under arrest?
You're about to go on the ground. Okay?
Why
Listen.
did you put me under arrest? Tell
Ma'am.
me. Please explain why you are putting me under arrest.
Because you're
Put
drunk.
it into simple terms.
You're drunk.
Okay.
It's simple terms.
Why are you putting me under arrest?
Because you can't be drunk.
Why is the
and operate
original
this car.
term? Why is the original term?
Samantha was then handcuffed and put into the police car. Her male companion, whom she had just met, stayed at the scene and offered to bail her out.
That's it.
I just really want to make sure she called me. She needs to be bailed out tonight. I told her. So.
Did you hear that? He said to call him if you need to be bailed out. I have his number for you. It's in your purse. I'll make sure you have it at the jail.
Ultimately, Samantha was taken to the police station and escorted to the Seminole County Jail. She was charged with drunk driving, resisting law enforcement, and providing false information, but was not charged with lascivious acts. She now urgently needs a lawyer's assistance. Regarding the officer taking her photo with his personal cell phone, which was illegal, she could file a complaint against the police station. Do you think that drinking while sitting in a car with the engine running but without the intention to move should still be considered a traffic violation? Let's discuss and leave your opinions in the area below.